Lanos, number 18, Laksamana, and number 13, Gonzalez.
Third game na yun, ah.
Pero kung isa pa, sulat ko lang, hirap mong sulat.
Sino yun?
Sino kalaban nyo? Ah, Crusaders, Kansai.
Yung naglalaro yung isa.
Game na.
Let's get it on!
Taga-isa. Hindi mo siya taga-karo.
Lakas sa mga.
Kung mamimawit sa.
Number 10 gets the first possession, 2 points. Gonzalez to start for RMB Gym. Gives it to Moscoso. In the middle, Luka Doncic. Doncic to Laksamana. And there's a foul.
Number 9.
There's a foul on number 9. Pua, that is only his first personal. Likewise, the first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 18, Laksamana.
Injury yan si Yani Aldin eh.
Good on his first. Last throw on the way for Laksamana.
Skate, presence of mind. Focus.
2 out of 2. Official score is 2-all with 9 minutes and 25 in our first period. Gorovat fires. Gorovat! Our first three-pointer of the ball game on number 19, 5-2. Here's Gonzalez. Moscoso in the middle. Moscoso picks out. Masmolanos fires. Masmolanos! 5 apiece. Number 19, another one. No. Rebound. Moscoso. Gives it to Luka Doncic. Luka to Masmolanos. Another one. No. Rebound Doncic. Put back is good. 2 points for Luka. 7-5. Number 10, Douglas. Douglas picks. Douglas gets the loose ball. No. Rebound Laksamana. But there is a foul on number 10, Douglas. That is his first personal foul. First team foul.
Sino ba?
Number 10, Douglas.
Luka fires. Caballeron to Douglas. Gives it to Pua. 13 on the shot clock. Anticipated pass. Stolen by Luka Doncic. Here's Gonzalez. Moscoso easy basket. Derek gets it to Gonzalez. 2 points Moscoso. 9-5. Number 19. Ilapit na bagya. Off the glass. 2 points for number 19. 9-7. Our official tally.
Medyo nagalawa, top 5
is RMB Gym. With 7 minutes.
Ha?
31. Here's Moscoso.
Top 5 places ko din.
Go!
Oo, bibigyan ko ng oras.
Ang may time ka gawin.
Douglas.
Dami na kayo kung
Go!
Pag may oras
But there's a foul on number 77, Luka Doncic. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. No good on the first free throw is
Pag
Douglas.
nagbe-best player, ginagawa ko ng video.
Oo, matik na may highlight.
Hina-highlights ko tuloy yung best player. Para may pang
Second throw, no good.
Sali na sa susunod.
Gonzalez, Moscoso, Gonzalez, Laksamana, short stab, Laksamana scores. 11-7, our official tally with under 7 minutes remaining in our first quarter. Here's Douglas. Number 19, Gorovat drives baseline. Got pass, turnover, stolen by Moscoso. Moscoso, coast to coast. Basket is good. That's a foul. On number 10, Douglas. That is his second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 11, Moscoso. No good. Cannot complete the three-point play. Offensive rebound by Los Colados. Here's Gonzalez. 9 to shoot. Los Colados fires. No. Rebound number 10. Dakles over to Sagonoy. Assist for Dakles. 2 points Sagonoy. 13 to 9. Las Sabana. Luka Doncic. Being out by Rua. Over to Gonzalez. All alone. Block. Sumalbal ni number 19. Gorobat is gone. No! Nakuha yung rebound ni Gonzalez. Good defense by Gonzalez.
Sobra.
Los Colados.
Inantay niya kasi yung pag...
Laksamana, big double. Laksamana in the baseline. Laksamana with a layup. Rebound Pua. Good pass. Good save. Number 19. Good effort. 2 points. 13 to 11. Gonzalez. Los Colados. 15 to shoot. Nagawa. Dakles. Here's Caballeron. No good. Close the layup. Rebound Los Colados. Nakuha ni Doncic. Doncic. Big double. Laksamana. 13 to shoot. Gonzalez fires. Short. Rebound Dakles. Dakles. Lead pass. Nakuha ni Sagonoy. Over to Gorobat. 2 points. Assist to Sagonoy. 2 points Gorobat. All 13 after 5 minutes remaining in our first quarter. Luka. Play gives it to Moscoso. Basket is good. Plus a foul.
Change player na, change player.
On number 9. Pua.
Second.
Pua, that is his second personal foul. Third team foul. Change players. Bonus free throw awarded to number 11.
Buwa, dalawa na buwa.
Moscoso.
Pasok pala, no?
Pagka-shoot, pagka-shoot.
Good luck, boy.
Basket.
No good on the 3-point bonus. Rebound Dakles. Cusco. Mediano. 13 to shoot. Lopez. Short. Rebound Tonggal. Here's making speed. Gonzalez. Here's number 24. Longo. Longo backs down. Longo. No good. Rebound Lopez. Lopez. Gusto. Gusto. Kailang. Rebound Tonggal. Gonzalez. Lead pass. Longo. Over to Auto. No. Auto second serving is good. 17 to 13 under 4 minutes. Here's Gusto now. Gives it to Gorobat. Fires a triple. Rebound Bauto. Over to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Aging speed. Aging speed. Slowly but surely. Like the layup is good. 19 to 13. 3 minutes and 37 in our first. Here's Dakles. Dakles signals the play. 15 to shoot. Mediano short stab. Mediano short.
Sub.
Substitute shoot. Moscoso out. Number 61 jamming in. Longo. Receive the basket. Takes. Auto. Turnover.
Ang itlog.
Dakles. Points are duties for number 10. Eye to eye with AJ's speed. 15 to shoot. Step back Trey. Short. Rebound Tonggal. Quickly. To Gonzalez. Basket is good. Plus a foul. On number 10, Dakles.
Third na.
Dakles, that is his third personal foul.
Time out. Hawksters.
Time out. score is 21-13 in favor of R&B Gym with 2
Tatlo na
minutes
yun, no?
and 47
Topless.
remaining.
Ang daming gagraduate agad ah. First quarter pa lang ah.
Yun na! Yun na!
Back to the ball game.
Laki.
Sayang oras!
Bonus free throw awarded to number 23, Gonzalez.
May third game pa! May third game!
Assist yun ni Tonggal kasi.
Cannot complete the three-point play is Gonzalez. Rebound from Goroban. Backless. Over to Goroban. Fakes. Steps back. Goroban! 21-16. Still in favor of R&B Gym with 2 minutes and 25. Gonzalez.
Patay ka
Over
dyan.
to the corner. Jamie. Shore.
Wala, kapos.
Red ball, last touch on White.
Patakbuhin mo. Oras.
14 to shoot. Gonzalez. Tongkal. White ball.
Too late. Laki nyo, makala mo sa andali. Too late. Ang-isip sila kagabi.
Backless. Goroban. Takes the shot. Rise. Traveling violation. One step too many is number 19. Turnover. Number 21. Or number 23 rather. Gonzalez. Gonzalez gets a loose ball. No good. Take it out. Backless. Over to Justo. Justo is no good. Rebound Malto. Jackie. Gonzalez stops. Fires. No. Rebound Tonggal. Tonggal shoots. Tonggal scores. Justo. Backless. Backless. Runner. Lopez. Shoots. No. Rebound Tonggal. Deep pass. Naagaw. Stolen by Diego. Over to Justo. Justo shoots. Justo! 23-21. Dalawang na lang ang nahabol ng Roosters. Number 61 over to number 23. Gonzalez. No! Rebound Lopez. Over to Goroban. Nilapit ng Bagya. Wala. Same basketball. Last touch on red. With 16 seconds on the shot clock. Backless. Takes the shot. Binigay kay Miliano. No. Rebound Lopez. Offensive board. Foot back. No good. Tonggal quickly to Longo. 2 points. 25-21 to possession ball game. Justo. Last 5 seconds. Justo. Lopez. Shoots. Lopez scores. And on the first quarter, official score is 25-23 in favor of R&B Gym. Back to the ball game.
Palitan naman nila. Change 5 eh.
Yung top 3 doon, pagsasalita.
Start of our second quarter.
Hinahabol tayo sa yung oras eh. Kasi yung oras natin. Dali niya rin pag sumabra alas 10, papagalitan tayo ng bowlers.
Yung third game, maganda din.
Maganda din third game. Yung kulay green.
Number 19, Gonzalez to start.
Error agad ah. Nakakabahan ah.
Over to Gonzalez. 15 to shoot. Coach Alvin. Luka Doncic. Luka Doncic scores. 27-23. Caballero. Sagonoy fires. No. Rebound. Gusto. But there's a foul downstairs on number 18.
Kuya Alvin.
That is his first personal foul. Likewise, the first team foul. 14 to shoot. Pua. Sagonoy. Lopez. 2 points. Credit the assist to Sagonoy. 2 points, Lopez. 27-25. Moscoso. Back to Gonzalez. Over to Alvin. Gonzalez, 13 on the shot clock. Moscoso fires. Rebound Sagonoy. Buo gets the ball. Buo pushes. Sagonoy stops. Busto fades. Busto drives. Busto no good. Rebound Laksamana. Over to Gonzalez.
Layo ng
Turnover.
Pare, batang-bata yung pinasahan mo.
Pilit po, pilit po.
Hindi na pinasa mo.
Kaya nga.
Garon, Agawan, stolen by Gonzalez. Moscoso is gone. 2 points for Moscoso, 29-25. Gusto, Caballero. Sagonoy, 30 to shoot. Gusto, reverse layup, no. Rebound, Moscoso. Moscoso, Moscoso Marin. Moscoso sa ilalim, block. 16, 15 on the shot, 14 on the shot clock, I should say.
Bukas tayo ng shot na.
14, balik mo sa 14. Nangyari.
Warning on number 19, R&B Jim, for delaying the game.
Ikaw kasi.
14 to shoot. 20. Rebound sa Sagonoy. Gusto. Gusto laid up. Gusto na ulo. Rebound Laksamana. Here's Hugo Doncic. Knock on lead, Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Short stab is good for Gonzalez. 31-25. Under 7 minutes. Pua. Pua. Gusto. Takes. Cross-court. Sagonoy fires. No. Alvin. Luka Doncic alone, 2 points.
Wala, ayun na. Pag yung
33-25. With 6 minutes and 25. Lopez. Cross-court to Caballero. 10 on the shot clock. Bua, alone. No. Gonzalez. Luka Doncic. 15 to shoot. He wants a pick. Gonzalez to Doncic at the post. Agawan, stolen by Caballero. Here's Gusto. Traveling violation.
Travel.
Dancing with the wrong song is Gusto. Turnover. Gonzalez. Number 18. Doncic. Good pass. 2 points. Credit the assist to Doncic. 2 points for Moscoso. 35-25. Double-digit lead. Caballero. Over to Sagonoy. Lopez. Backs down. Lopez way. Lopez no good. Gonzalez. Quickly to Doncic. Doncic. Pushes a foul.
Sub red.
Foul on number 4, Sagonoy. Number 4, only his first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 77, Luka Doncic.
Isa. Ay. Toy, pumasok isa ha.
Two out of 2 for Luka Doncic.
Sub. Ay, sayang. Iya mo na.
Backfred. Shoots. Short. Rebound. Luka Doncic. Naagaw ni Bua. Stolen by Bua. Over 2. Gurobat. Malapitan. Wala pa rin. Rebound kay Doncic. Kickball violation. Turnover. White ball. Substitution.
Palit player si Luka.
Backless. Bua. Fire. No. Rebound Longno. Longno picks it out. Bagras. Turnover. Backless. Over to Gorobat. Gorobat fire. No. Rebound Masculado. Nakuha ni Gonzalez. Gonzalez steps on the gas. Rebound Backless. Gorobat. Gorobat stops. Gorobat pops. But there's a foul. Basket plus a foul on number 61. Jamie, that is his first personal foul.
27.
Second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 19, Gorobat.
Ayun yung bubuhay sa kanila.
Ang robot.
Completes the three-point play, making our tally 37 to 28. Gonzalez. Aljan Gonzalez over to Longo. Longo. White ball, last touch on red. Turnover. Backless. Spins. Shoots. Rebound. Backless. Kick out. Gorobat. Yes, sir. 37 to 30. Ito ang kalamangan ng R&B Gym. Here's Gonzalez. Aljan Gonzalez fires from the parking lot. Gonzalez!
Grabe yung dila, haba.
40-30. Sampu na ang kalamangan.
Yan!
Busto, his own version. Malakas. Rebound, Gonzalez. Gives it to the other Gonzalez. AJ Smith is on. 42 to 30. A dozen point deficit for Boosters.
Naglaro pa kasi.
Gorobat.
Foul.
But there is a foul caught on number 10, Masculados. Number 10, that is his first personal foul. Third team foul.
Yan.
3 free throws for number 19, Gorobat.
Naglaro kayo skate. Wala ang jersey nila.
Pumasok.
Sino?
Oo, anak sinong mali. Yung biyari nung pwede.
Basket, third foul. (42 to 32). 2 minutes and 21. Here's Gonzalez, another one. No. Turnover. Miscommunication between Pua and Mediano. 14 on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Jamie out to Gonzalez. Fires. Short. Rebound Busto. Lead pass to Douglas. Douglas scores. 42 to 34. Jamie receives the inbound. Takes the pass. Advance. Naagaw ni Kuwa. Justo. Layup. Basket is good for Justo. 42 to 36. Ano na lang. Here's ADC. Naagawan. Nakuha ni Kumaban. Topless. Fakes. Reverse layup. No. Gets his own miss. Time out though. Basket is good for Kumaban.
Ganda na naman.
Time out. R&B Gym.
Last lang.
Time out lang ako.
Last lang.
Official score is 42 to 38. Still in favor of R&B Gym. With a minute and 20 remaining in our second quarter.
Ay no, mga late na ng sila team.
Oo, pagkami. Tangyo, lalaban na yan. Apat lang eh, no? Oo.
Nakahabol po.
Mahalaga si Ivan niya.
Binakbakan
Si Ivan yun, yung dumating.
Back to the ballgame.
Ba't si
Pag nakarating si Ivan niya yan,
Last 80
bakbakan din.
seconds remaining in the
Nakahabol
second.
si Ivan, bakbakan din.
Gonzalez crossing the timeline.
mamay practice si Ivan yun?
Signaling the play is Gonzalez. Gives it to the other Gonzalez. 15 seconds to shoot. Mascaros. Longo. Alone. Longo. Basket. Plus a foul. On number
13.
13, Mediano.
First.
Only his first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 24, Longo. Nothing but net completes the three-point play. Is Longo making it tally 45 to 38. Under a minute remaining. Backless decides to fire. Short. Rebound Longo. Longo. Nagmamadali. Longo. Basket. 2 points for Longo. Kuromba fire. No. Rebound Mediano. Official score is 47-38. 9 to shoot. Buston. Topless. Wala pa rin. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Last 10 seconds. To the other Gonzalez. AJ Speed Gonzalez. Reverse layup. No. Puma. Last 5 seconds. Buston. 3-on-1. Topless. Wala. End of the second quarter. Official score is 47-38 in favor of R&B Gym.
White ball na. White ball. White ball.
Nice pass.
Kailangan bago mag-840 mga
Back to the ball game. Start of our third quarter. Jan to start. Lopez. Hernandez to Jan. 2 points for Lopez. 47 to 40. Tonggal, short stand. Tonggal, nothing but net. 49 to 40.
Wala sila
Janjan. Janjan. Mediano. Shoots. No. Tonggal. Reed Moscoso. 2 points for Moscoso.
Yan, MVP ng gusto niya sa gusto.
51-40. Lopez. Turnover.
Baglong malito 27. Sa tayo ko.
Gonzalez. Nakagawa ni Janjan. 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 He's up. Plus a foul. Basket is good. Plus a foul on number 91.
First.
Tonggal only his first personal foul. Likewise the first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 77, Janjan.
Paul talaga, kitang-kita naman. Paul, kitang-kita.
Kamay na kamay.
Gaw, Pal, gaw!
No good on the bonus free throw. Rebound Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Big out. Luka Doncic. Short status goal. 53-42. Red ball. Turnover.
Hindi na to sa referee.
Gonzalez.
Uy!
There's a foul on number 4, Sagonoy.
Number 4 sa goal niya.
14 to shoot.
Third na.
That is his third personal foul. Balcon. No. White ball. Last touch on red.
11.
Janjan. Janjan pulls up. Janjan in out. Rebound Tonggal. Doncic. Moscoso. 3-on-2 break. Moscoso. Raise up. Wala pa rin. Rebound Lopez. Lopez goes all the way. No.
Foul of Luka, second.
But there's the foul on Luka Doncic. That is the second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 24, Lopez.
Good, malakas ang green na yan. Match yan ako dun sa isa, yung Black Panthers.
No good in the
Sa
first.
Thursday, maglalaban yan. Black Panthers at yung green. Mas maganda panoorin yan. Lais ko ba?
Second throw. In and out. 0 out of 2 on that triple line. Gonzalez being high by Lopez. Moscoso receives the pass. 15 to shoot. Balto. Balto. Tonggal short stab. Tonggal short. Last touch on White.
Time out. Hoopsters.
Timeout. Team Hoopsters. Official score 53-42 in favor of R&B Gym with 7 minutes and 13 remaining in the third.
May 6'5 kaya? Wala? Wala. 6'2? Wala. Yung Lego, tanggit si Ogie, tanggit lang eh.
Back to the ball game. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot for Team Hoopsters. Tonggal gets the inbound. Balto. Balto number. Second serving. No. Rebound Tonggal. Gets his own miss. Gonzalez all alone. No. Rebound with Tonggal. 2 more. No. Get it out. Here's Justo. 2-on-2. Roban. No. Gonzalez. Moscoso. Moscoso spins. Moscoso face. Moscoso no good. Move over the board. Caples. 3-on-2. 3-on-3. Caples. Stay. Go. Rebound Moscoso. Gonzalez. Balto. Balto. Doncic. Reverse layup is down. White ball. Last touch on red.
Bakbakan yun ah. Hindi kasi Ivan
Goroban. No. Rebound Balto. Gonzalez. Balto. Balto. Agawan. 3-on-1 break. Gusto. Goroban. 2 points. Gusto. 2 points. Goroban. 23-44. Gonzalez. Runner. No. Rebound. Moscoso. Nagaw. Quickly to Uso. Uso, 2 points. 46-53.
Huwag yung mag-vlog. Lapit kayo dito. Lapitin natin dito.
Gonzalez. Doncic. Doncic scores. 55-46. Douglas. Gonzalez. No. Rebound Moscoso. Tonggal. Back to Moscoso. Moscoso. Same basketball.
Time out, time out.
Timeout, Team R&B Gym. Official score is 55-46. With 4 minutes and 43
umiscore ka pa, parang
remaining
ikaw best player.
in favor of R&B Gym.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. May 12 ka na.
Sina?
May
Ano
12.
na siya to, no? Sabi ko kasi di ba pang ano nga siya, di ba? MVP numbers.
Back to the ballgame.
Ay! Lumabas si Jason.
Hindi, si Kuya, matangin siya ni si Doncic, no? Diyan, abo yung score nun.
Mas maraming mga rebound yun. Tsaka
Sabi ni Nico nito.
hindi pa naman yun.
Tonggal. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot for R&B
Wala kasi
Gym.
8 yun eh.
Wala yung stop line yung shot lang.
Agawan. Lead pass. Gusto. To Danjan. Easy two. Penetrations to Gusto. 2 points Danjan. 55-48. Dito na lang ang nahabol.
Sakto lang sa tempo.
Gonzalez. 14 to shoot. Tonggal. Takes. Tonggal spins. Tonggal lane. No. Rebound Longo. Tonggal. Doncic. Doncic scores. 7-48. Danjan. Gusto. Drives. Lane. But there's a foul.
Boss Paul Red.
Substitution. Number 77, Jan Jan. Or Luka Doncic, I should say.
Tatlo.
That is his third personal foul.
Tatlo.
Ilang team po?
Third.
Third team foul. 2 free throws for number 29, Busco.
Pumasok? Ay, hindi.
Doncic. Si
Tatlo na si Luka.
Gagraduate na yun.
Second throw for Busco is no good as well. 0 out of 2 on that trip on the line. Here's Gonzalez. Good defense is Danjan. Danjan stops. No. Rebound Gonzalez. Rebound Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Longo. Samana. Tonggal. Second serve. 2 points. 59-48. Busco. Douglas. Rebound Tonggal. Gonzalez. Longo. Longo. Waits for a teammate. Gives it to Tonggal. Over to Laksamana. Laksamana. Reverse layup is good. 61-48. Under 3 minutes remaining in the third. Goroba being high by Gonzalez.
That's experience at Tao.
14 to shoot. Douglas. Goroba fires a triple. No. Rebound Tonggal. Vicas Gonzalez all alone.
Time out.
Timeout Team Hoopsters. Official score is 63-48 in favor of R&B Gym with 2 minutes and 37 in the third. This is just our second game. Meron pa tayong main event between Team Panthers or Team Crusaders versus Team Quattro Ballers.
16!
Rebound?
Back to the ball game.
Tatlo pa lang. Tatlo yung, ano niya, 6 points, pero yung rebound po, na 16.
Gusto na mag-double-double ka.
Iya haba-haba mo naman eh. Siyempre.
Oo, tama.
Carlos. Jan. B.I. by Gonzalez. Jan. Gives it to Douglas. All alone. Top of the key. No.
Ayan naman, rebound naman.
Gongal. Gonzalez. Block. Same basketball with 20 seconds on the shot clock. Gongal. Long face, jump step. Atapigan na agaw. Justo is all gone. 2 points. 63-50. Longno receives. Longno face. Gives it to Gongal. Fires. Nothing but net for Gongal. 65-50, 15-point deficit for the Hoopsters. Douglas gets the loose ball. Douglas lay. Jan. Saved by Justo. Last 9 seconds. Which is a foul on number 18, Laksamana. That is his first personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throws. Awarded to number 29, Justo.
Sub.
Wait lang, nag-free throw pa eh.
Sub.
No good on the first.
Uy, wala pa!
Wala pa, pag na-shoot.
Na-shoot. Ma-technical kayo dyan. Wala kayo. Oh, yeah.
Sub.
Substitution. Gonzalez bringing back the basketball. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Laksamana. Gonzalez fires. Gonzalez! 3! 69-50. Blocked by Gongal. What a monster game for Gongal. 17 to shoot. Jan pulls up. Nice. Rebound Gonzalez. Quickly to Longno. 2-on-1 break. Longno, Gonzalez. 2 points. Where the case is to Longno, 2 points Gonzalez.
Yung lineup ng pula yan, siguro ko matagal mo sa akin. Yan. Kasi,
Lopez. No. Gonzalez. To the other Gonzalez. AJ Smith. No. But there is a foul on number 29, Justo.
First.
Only his first personal foul. Second team foul.
Second.
2 free throws awarded to number 23, Gonzalez. Gets the friendly roll on the first attempt.
Nakahabol na sana eh, no? Kanina.
Nothing but net, 2 out of 2. On that trip on the line for Gonzalez. Number 19, pulls up. In and out, rebound Laksamana. Over to Gonzalez. AJ Speed steps on the gas. Blows the layup. Gonzalez for a violation. Turnover. Last 16.3 seconds. Supporter, all is Justo. 53 in favor of RBJ.
Wala si Ivan, puti sayang. Balagbagan sana kung dito si Ivan. Pasok ko si Moscoso!
Si Ivan yung batang matangkad. Yun ba yun? Yung batang matangkad. Oo, yun. Yun ang babagay.
Back to the ball game.
Son!
Start to the fourth and final quarter between RBJ and Team Hoopsters. Official tally is 72 to 53 in favor of RBJ.
Si Tungal magiging best player dito.
Sino?
Tumal.
77 hindi.
Yung naman
Ay, tumal oo.
Si Nevin rebound na.
Oo.
Mag-score pa siya ng 4.
Moscoso, Doncic,
Ganun ba?
2 points for Luka Doncic. It's only their lead, 74-53. Number 19, Chachai from the 3-point country. No. Offensive board number 19. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Yan.
Vuskovic. Kick out. Number 19 pulls up. Rebound. Red ball. Last touch on White. Gonzalez being hounded by Douglas. Gonzalez.
Nice!
Blocked by Douglas. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. White ball. Turnover.
Wait ako pa yan.
Señales, pasa. Lipas, Gonzalez. Gonzalez, Moscoso. Moscoso. Assist to Gonzalez. 2 points Moscoso. 76-53. Number 10, Douglas. 15 to shoot. Nakakambigan. Shoots. But there's a foul.
Sama na. Second.
Foul on number 18, Laksamana. This is second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 10, Douglas.
Kaya pag pumasok.
Splitting a charity, substitution. Official score 76-54.
Pumasok na.
Gonzalez looking at the clock. Laksamana. Gonzalez. Kailangan pass. Brilliant assist to Gonzalez. 2 points for the Doncic. 78-54. Janjan. Douglas. Douglas. To Gorova. Gorova. Douglas. Shoots. In and out. Rebound number 61. Jamie. Jamie. Stop. Nice. Score. 80-54. 26 points.
May time out.
Number 19, Gorova. Gorova. Señales. Douglas. Secretary Gorova, 2 points.
Time out. Time out.
80-56.
Wala pa. Sila pa. Sila. Saklan to.
Janjan, runner.
Galing!
Score. 80-58.
May pinatago pa rin.
Gonzalez.
Kaya, sub.
Timeout.
Sub.
Substitution, sorry.
Ano pinita ng sub?
19 seconds on the shot clock for RBJ.
That's ay!
Gonzalez receives the inbound. Gonzalez, 15 to shoot. Gonzalez. 8 to shoot. Doncic, fire. Doncic! Robot. No.
Sub.
Substitution. Gonzalez 13 out. Gonzalez 23 in. Substitution. Number 4 out. Mediano in. 40 on the shot clock.
Sa malala, kumana ko rin ng hindi ka kanya.
Number 27. No. Rebound Gonzalez.
Kasi doon, ayaw pa.
Sa ilalim. Good pass. Credit the assist to Gonzalez. 2 points Moscoso.
Kala ko ipapasok ko.
85 to 58. 6 minutes and 3 remaining in the final quarter. Bua. Gorobat. Gorobat. 3.
Yan lang ang bumubuhay sa kanila.
85 to 61.
Ang gurubat na yun.
24 big points. Gonzalez. Doncic. Another one. Rebound Mediano.
That was the run that they're looking for. Pero sige, pwede pa. Pero ang ganda sa...
Gonzalez receives the back. Being out by number 27. Number 23 steps on the break. 15 to shoot. Moscoso in the middle. Moscoso face. Moscoso shoots. In and out. Rebound number 27. 3-on-2 break. Nakayena. Guraba. Fires. Long. Offensive ball. Nakakuha ni Moscoso. Sabda ha, Toy.
Wala ko. Ako ba?
Laksamana. Luka Doncic. Gonzalez. Fouling violation. Substitution. Moscoso out.
Son, ba't ka lumabas son? Sub.
Substitution.
Ay, bola!
Hindi pa takbib mo.
Doncic or jamming out. Mascarados in. Substitution.
Kaya pala naintiwan yung...
Gaw, ganun pumasok, Gaw!
Bakit talagang si...
Tambak na to.
Talagang pinito sila talaga. No? Kasi alam mo yung sinasabi. Parang lagi rin ang pinito. Sabi ko din ako ng out.
Guraba. Bingo. 14 to shoot. Busto. Fires. Rebound Doncic. Over to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Long no. But there's a foul.
Sub.
Substitution. Foul on number 29, Busto.
Ilan kasi yung L.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Naagaw, number 27. 2-on-3. Nakayena. Drive. No. Deep pass. Mascurado. To shoot. Alvin. Yes, sir. 87 to 61. 3 minutes and 40. Robot. In and out. Bua. Busto fakes. Busto sa ilalim ng robot. Easy loose. 87-63. Gonzalez. White ball.
El, maghabol kayo sa Ocean.
Wala pinapulikat na.
Number 19, 3! 87-66. Nagawa ni Gusto. Gurova stops, pops. Gurova,
dead ball.
Congal. Longo. 15 to shoot.
Innovator eh. Nawaan mo na.
10.
Sa makikita.
Habang.
Problema, pag ganun mo.
Time out tayo ha.
Eliano Carlo.
Time out.
Kaya, pasok kuya.
Time out.
Time out?
Time out.
Hello, Team RB Gym. Official score 87 to 69.
Paano nararamita ako?
Galing 63 kayo eh.
With 2 minutes and 20 remaining in the final quarter.
Game na. Maghabol na lang kayo sa quotient. Kasi sayang yung quotient. Miss-score tayo ng miss-score. Para di kayo matambakan sa quotient.
Gagawin sa pagagawin.
May system ba?
Oo. Tambay mo na
Back to the action. Gonzalez. Naagaw. Rables.
Sinaminali.
Rowan. Points.
Sabi ko sa...
Pagdaw, dead ball.
Congal. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Sub.
Substitution.
Bua, apat.
There's a foul on number 9, Bua. That is his 4th personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 91, Congal.
Double-double na yan. No? Sobra na. Yan, ang double-double niya pag shoot yung dalawa. Ay, hindi. Nakashoot na pala niya.
Nakashoot siya dun eh.
Cannot convert on the first is Congal.
Wait na. Marami ng rebound eh.
Sana mag-20 ng rin.
Good on the second, 1 out of 2 for Congal. 88 to
Kaya bilangin
71.
natin.
Spare. Sana.
Hold up, another one. No. Rebound Bua. Out to Justo. No. Rebound Marco. Gonzalez. Over to the other Gonzalez. 15 to shoot. Gonzalez in the middle. Gonzalez sidestep. Furious goal. 2 points. 19 to 71. Bua fires. Mediano. Airball.
Ang ginagawa.
Red ball.
Sayang.
1 minute and 10 seconds. To be exact, 70 seconds remaining in the game. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Over the bottom. Out to Longo. Longo fires. No. Rebound. Congal.
Gaw! Dami mo ng rebound, Gaw!
Gonzalez. Congal. 15 to shoot. Longo. 10 on the shot clock. Gonzalez. 93-71. Justo. Justo. 3. 93-74. Last 18 seconds remaining in the game. Good. Agaw. Rowan. Rowan play. No. Last 4 seconds.
Sa loob ako eh.
End of the ball game. Official score 93-74. And the winner is R&B Gym. Congratulations, Team R&B Gym.
Wala pang kabilang player. Gaw, dami mo rebound, Gaw.
20 yata ang rebound.
Tungal, best player.
Best player of the game, Congal.
Gaw! Dami mo rebound, Gaw! Dami mo rebound.
Dalawang yung talong pwesto yung pasok sa isang
Puta na lang yan. 18 points, 19 rebounds.
Ilang rebound niya?
19. Sayang,
Hindi pa
20
umabot
sa...
ng 15 points.
Oo, na 5 rebounds.
Galing yung bata niya. Yan. Yan. Galing yan. Alam niya